There was a farmer and his sons. His sons were so lazy that the farmer told them on his deathbed, "There is a treasure buried in the vineyard, so search for it after I pass away." The sons thought that there must be a box of gold and jewels buried in the ground. So they dug up the vineyard every day, trying to find the treasure. After many years of searching, they never found the treasure. However, all of their digging effectively cultivated the ground in the vineyard. Soon, the grapevines produced a lot of grapes that the lazy sons grew wealthy from their unwitting work.